got her up and out. You have to remove this door trim, the weather strip, and this piece right here. This piece right here. See how it goes? It goes up in there like that. Remove this whole piece right here too. This whole little piece right here. Come out with this. Unplug it. Got a little plug on it. You know what I'm saying? So plug it. Loosen up the 4 screws, then the 10 screws on there, and then flip it over and you can come out with it. Hello world. Well, I got it back in. Got everything back in how it's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? Look rather good with that black and gray like that.